Morning, guys. Welcome back to My Meals Monday. I am really not feeling that great this morning. I have a really upset stomach. I don't know why. I thought maybe I was dehydrated, so I drank 2 big things of this water. And then I thought that maybe last night I didn't have dinner. I just had some edamame, and I thought maybe it's because I was so hungry. I didn't feel hungry. It's just I thought, I was so hungry it gave me a stomach ache. So I drank one of these. This is the Naked Strawberry Banana Fruit Smoothie, and that hasn't helped either. I'm not going to eat anything else. I'm just going to get some water in me and see how I feel in a little bit. But I just wanted to share with you guys what I have had so far, and hopefully I'm not getting sick again. Please no. I am having breakfast now. It's 10:15, so it's like an hour and a half later. I'm feeling a bit better. I made myself the same thing I made Dawn. This is 2 waffles with Earth Balance, which is vegan, and then I use agave syrup just because it's what we always have. And it's cheaper than buying like the grade A maple syrup. And then 2 poached eggs on top, and that is my breakfast. I am having a coffee now. It's only 11 o'clock. It's just black coffee with ice in it. I have another huge thing of water. I've had like 4 of these today. But I feel like I'm feeling well enough to try having a coffee, so that's what I'm gonna do. It is lunchtime now, and I'm also in the process of making dinner, but that's a whole nother story that I'll tell you at dinner time. I am trying out some vegan macaroni and cheese. This is actually from Whole Foods, and I popped it in the microwave. I just poured the whole container in just because, I don't know, I just did. I'm for sure not gonna eat all of this, but it's supposed to be good. I haven't tried it, but the lady at the deli thing said that it was really good. She really liked it. And then I have another big thing of water. I thought I'd give you guys a little update. I've just popped it back in its little container here. It was on the macaroni and cheese, by the way. It was good. It was good. It wasn't, I mean, you would never say like, oh my gosh, that's macaroni and cheese, but it doesn't taste bad. You know what I mean? Like, I don't know how to explain this. So it tastes good, but I wouldn't say it's like, you wouldn't be able to pass that off to someone. So you wouldn't be able to be like, oh, here's some macaroni and cheese, and them not realize that it's vegan. But it was still good. I ate it. I liked it. Don, he might try it. He's really weird when it comes to vegan stuff. Mostly not vegan stuff, because like he eats vegetables and stuff. It's the replacement stuff he doesn't really end up caring for too much. So anyways, well, we had those vegan burgers a while back, remember? And he really liked those, actually, now that I mention it. It's now dinner time. I have a orange juice with rum, and then for dinner I did tuna casserole. I've been really craving that lately. So this is the tuna casserole. It has tuna fusilli pasta. I don't like egg noodles because they're kind of bland. Peas, sweet corn, cream of mushroom soup, almond milk, and then when I baked it on top I did some, what is that called? Breadcrumbs mixed with vegan butter, and that's what it looks like. I am having a little bit of dessert. I am having my favorite Tea Pigs licorice and peppermint sweet tea. Have it here in my new Starbucks cup, which I love so much. And then I have 2 shortbreads. This is the Walker shortbread, and then I have a peppermint bark and a milk chocolate peppermint brownie.